Hey guys, it's me Josh from TechZone, and today I'm going to do a video on my top student apps for Android. So the apps I've chosen are apps that I use every day, and I think you as a student, as the viewer, would really want to get to use, and just to help you out, because if I didn't have some of these, I wouldn't even pass some of my subjects. So I'm just going to go through some of these. You don't have to be a student to use these, but if you're like a great productivity user, just like myself, these really do help. So the first one we're going to go into is called Todoist. Now Todoist is a really fun and quite a nice app. All it is really a task manager. You put in what you want. So I have to revise some media tonight, and once you've done it, you can set in your thing. You can set in what you've done, and you can either tick it off or leave it. I'm going to leave it, or just to put into a new one, all you have to do is add in a new task. So I'm going to say watch YouTube. And what I like about this, you can choose different inboxes, and I've got one set up for personal, computing, college, media, as a sub from college, and obviously my other ones. I'm going to put that into personal. And you can either set in a date, so tomorrow, today, every day, so you can add in recurring tasks, or you can put in abbreviations and natural language. So I put in Friday, and that puts it in. So the next app we're going to go in is called Pocket, and essentially all this does is save websites for you. So I have in website that I generally use, so let's use my website, and it's just a quick way of finding websites. And it's actually quite fast because you're not generating other browser crap, and you can look at other things that you use. So this is great for students when you want to save websites of articles or any kind of context that you need to use later. So that's another great one, and we're going to go into the third one. It's called Pushbullet. Pushbullet allows you to send files between other places. It's quite small, so I normally send this between my computer at college and my phone, so I don't have to look up a website or a file with my phone, so you can send them in RAR format, and I like to send anything that I have, like APKs that I want to download, but without having to use my browser, so it's a safer way. The third one is called Sunrise Calendar. This is my favourite calendar. I suggest that you don't even use your stock calendar unless it's Google Calendars, even though I do for this, and this allows me to put in multiple accounts. So what this does, not an invite, I don't want an invite. You can either change like a daily task, like a workload, I do that, and it's quite a nice material design kind of way. And if you just go into settings, you can check how many accounts you have. I have like iCloud, Exchange, Evernote, Todoist, Google, and obviously my Hotmail account. And this allows me to check with other accounts, and it's great to put in tasks that you need to activate. So obviously I have over here my widget that comes with a nice widget that I can see daily what I've got to do. My only complaint with it is when you put in Todoist tasks, they kind of stay there, and even though you've completed them or deleted them, they stay there, so it's kind of a bummer. And my last one is called Genius Scan. This is a must-have application for any Android user. This allows you to save, take pictures of documents. So I did a revision map, and that was literally just taking a picture of a white piece of paper with stuff in it, and you can make it into a PDF, which you can then export. Let me just say that all of these are free, but some of them have some product placements into them, so particularly Todoist, you have to pay £29 a year to get extra features like reminders and notes and file sharing, which I could justify the cost, but I didn't buy it anyway because I'm a student, so I didn't have that much money. Same with Genius Scan. This is just the standard version, and with the paid version you can get you can export to Dropbox, which I expect most of you probably use. So, and I think it's only £2 in the App Store at the moment, and $2 I think, around the same. And guys, get it. That's me, Josh, from TechZone, signing out.